Uh, Work example number 16. We need to find the first 10 term. So this one, the question wants us to find S10. So S10 for this geometry series. So from here, we know that this is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. So what happened here is multiplied by 3. So the A here is 2. The R will be the second term divided by the first term. That is 6 over 2. That is 3. So the question wants us to find S10. So we know that the Sn is, okay, so for this R is greater than 1. So the formula that we use will be A R power n minus 1 over R minus 1. So the S10 equal to 2, okay, 3 power 10 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. So this one, we cannot do it without calculator lah. Okay, then we have the 3 power 10 minus 1 divided by 2. So we can write the answer like this, 3 power 10 minus 1. Okay, so the 3 power 10 minus 1 will be this. Okay, so this will be the answer lah. Okay, so or actually over here we can straight use the calculator. We have the 2 times 3 power 10 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Both will give you the same answer. Okay, so the answer will be 59048. Okay, if the question give you until the 10th term only, then this will be very easy. Why? Because the first term is 2, then we have the 2 is the first term, and then we multiply with 3, so times 3, then we have the 6, and then the next thing will be 18, and then the next thing will be 54, and the next thing will be 162. Okay, and the next term will be 486, and the next term is 1458, and the next term is 4374, and the next term is 13122, and the next term is this. So S10 is sum of the 10 term. Okay, so we have the 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus 54 plus 162 plus this one is 486. 486 plus 1458 plus 4374 plus 13122 plus 39366. So this is the Sn. Ta-da! So if the n is small enough, so we can list out and then sum up, and we get the answer. Okay, but in the exam we are not allowed to do this lah. Okay, we have to use the formula lah. We look at the work example 17. The second term of a GP is 9, less than the first term. Okay, so it is a GP. So the second term is 9 less than the first term. So the first term minus 9. Second term is what? Is AR. This is A minus 9. Okay. Then the sum of the second term and the third term is 30. So this is AR, this is AR square equal to 30. Why is this AR square? Because we know that the third term is ARn minus 3 minus 1. Then there is AR square. Okay, so over here we have the AR factorized 1 plus R equal to 30. And then for this one, if we move this and this, then we have the 9 equal to A minus AR. I factorize the A, 1 minus R equal to 9. So we have the A 1 minus R equal to 9 is the equation 1. This is the equation 2. Then next, we use the equation 2 divide by the equation 1. So we have the equation 2 divided by the equation 1. So AR 1 plus R over A 1 minus R equal to 30 over 9. So the A we can cancel. So 3, 10. And we cross multiply. Then what will we have will be the 3 R 1 plus R equal to 10 1 minus R. So 3R plus 3R square equal to 10 minus 10R. So we have the 3R square plus 13R minus 10 equal to 0. And we do the factorization. Then R, 3R. And then we have the 5, 2. 15 minus. So R plus 5 equal to 0. R is negative 5. 3R minus 2 equal to 0. R equal to 2 over 3. We look at the question. All the terms are positive. So the A is positive value and the R is positive value. So this one will be rejected. Okay, so we have the R equal to 2 over 3. We can sub into the first equation. So the first equation is this. So we can sub R equal to 2 over 3, sub R equal to 2 over 3 into equation 1. So this is the equation 1. So we have the A 1 minus 2 over 3 equal to 9. So A 1 over 3 equal to 9. So we have the A equal to 27. Okay, so we have the A equal to 27. Okay, so the question asks us to find the first term. So 27. Okay.